Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and hope you enjoy the video. As for today's video, I'm gonna be creating a flower background. Literally, as you can see, I decided to create it again because I thought that if I used the background first and created the word flower on top of it, it would look more realistic in terms of 3D. So then that's what I did, and outlined it with a darker background so that I can color it in, and just showing you the whole time lapse of the process of how I created the text. It's been a while since I did text videos, so I thought it would be fun to do a flower background and actually include flowers in the background, which is basically what you're seeing. And if you've clicked on this video because of the thumbnail, you definitely know what it's gonna look like in the end. I went to the darker pink in the background, wide text rather, so that I can add the oomph and give it a more background feel, as usually dark colors are in the background. So anyway, instead of just having the word flower background, I decided to add some flowers in the background so then it can even be more colorful and beautiful. Since I went to the color pink, I wanted to add some other bright colors, but for this one in specific, decided to go with a white daisy, and I'm just using a photo image to create my illustrated 3D image like illustration, as you can see. And this is just a quick time lapse of that process of how I created it based out of a picture. So I just thought I would share the time lapse of the picture as well, since it took some time to draw, and I definitely created this over a period of time, not at one sitting. So I just picked out some of the flowers, and then I removed the transparency, and so that it can be used for a background like that. So that's the white daisy, and then I chose a sunflower because it felt like a sunflower, yellow sunflower, and daisy are just about the same. And so yeah, now this is just the time-lapse process of the sunflower, and I just love using real images because they make the illustration feel more real, especially when it comes to matte shadows. And yeah, so I hope you're just enjoying the process and just seeing how it comes together. I feel like with art, it's very, it's very particular, and the details, the little details like the ones you can see in the video take time. So I usually like watching the creation process, and I hope you do too. So yeah, after creating the sunflower like I did in the daisy, I decided to remove the background and just stay with a white background in transparency. So then I can also use it for my flower background like this. And also I decided to go with purple, which is this image that you can see in the illustration, and use it for the third piece of flower that I'll be using for the background. So yeah, I did create a time lapse of the same with a purple flower image. I'm not sure if this counts as a purple daisy or what flower it is. If you know, comment down below and let me know what flower you think the purple flower is, if you have the name for it, if it's not a purple daisy. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty flower and a good addition to the flower background text. And yeah, you'll see how they come together. And then of course I did create it as a background. I think I showed this earlier in my channel, and then I decided to take out the background and use this illustration. So these are the 3 images of the flowers I'll be using, and then I incorporated them in my background. So basically what I did is just place the flowers and try and see how they look like with the word and the text, and played around with the background colors so that they can give it extra pop of color. And yeah, I'm just playing around with it. If I don't like it, I take them out, because here I thought they were too much. And so I just decided to add them one by one and see how they sit with the words by layering them separately, making some smaller than the others, and added a stalk for the image and a shading. And this is what it looked like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.